hide your following list on Facebook? Whether you are trying to keep your interests private or simply enjoy a little bit of digital privacy, hiding your following list on Facebook is a smart move. So here is how you can clock in your following list in a few simple steps. So first of all, make sure your app is up to date. If not, you can open Play Store or App Store and then update your Facebook application to the latest version. Then open Facebook application and then log into your account. Tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then on this menu page scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy and then select Privacy Shortcuts. Now in this section, you need to select See More Privacy Settings, and you'll get access to this page, or you can directly get into the Settings and Privacy page. Scroll down and select Followers and Public Content. Now on this page you will see different kinds of options. Just you need to locate the option for who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Here we have set to public. Tap on that public button, and then from this option you can easily choose your audience, that who can see your following list on Facebook. If you want to completely hide your following list on Facebook from your friends or public, select Only Me, and then only you can be able to see your following list on Facebook. So that's how we do it. I hope you follow the same steps and hide your following list on Facebook. So now your following list on Facebook is now hidden from prying eyes. You can enjoy your newfound privacy and keep exploring the world of social media with a bit more peace of mind. I hope this video worked for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.